Meteorologist Mike Prangley is here with us tonight. So, Mike, here on the first coast, really the biggest threat is rip currents, right?
Right. So we are watching a potential tropical cyclone. By this time tomorrow night, maybe a named system. Now, here's what we've been watching this evening. This is the key. We still have not seen an upgrade in the system, nor a track closer to home that would change that. So if it gets a name, if it doesn't, if they just call it a potential tropical cyclone to a depression, I think the effects for us will be the same in the form of rip currents. Let's take a look at why. Meteorologically speaking, we're not seeing good symmetry, a very disorganized system this time. And notice how the clouds are blowing from west to northeast, so a lot of wind shear this is undergoing. So this is not going to allow it to rapidly intensify. It's not going to allow it to move farther to the north. Okay, you've got a wall of wind out of the west-southwest, and at the same time, look at the thunderstorms tonight. They're all blown off to the east over land, over Cuba, which bodes well for our weekend forecast. In fact, as we do a little tilt and roll here, you can see those heavier thunderstorms over Cuba. And as we go into this forecast, notice the cone stays south of us, all right? And as we look at the latest track, no real changes. In fact, keeping it maybe a weak tropical storm as it moves over Florida by Saturday. And then once it moves out to sea, it may get a little better organized. But for us, it's too much wind shear for it to be a big factor for us. It's all about the rip currents. I'll have your big three in the tropics and take you through the weekend coming up.
Thank you, Mike, and be sure to take our weather team's forecast with you through the First Coast News app. If you don't have it yet, just text the word app, APP, to 904-633-2402, and we'll send you the information so you can